Hi, everybody. My name's Anel Greenmore, and I'm sitting here with my friend and colleague, Toma Johnson.
Hello, everyone. It's your friendly neighborhood realtor, Toma Johnson here. I'm with Drive Real Estate, and it's a pleasure to be here with you.
Thanks for visiting me today.
No problem.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
On a serious topic, what was the last thing you heard about mortgage rates?
Well, the last thing that I heard about mortgage rates, I would say, is from the Fed, that Feds raised the rates in what was that, December? And everybody was all panicking, and they did it again.
Well, ironically enough, you always hear about the scandal, right? You always hear about the mortgage hikes, the rate hikes, the increases. Have you ever heard of them dropping?
Not in the last month or so, no.
Do you know that they change multiple times a day, both up and down?
No, I had no idea.
Kind of goes like the stock market. It could be stable for some time. Overall, you see a trend. But just like we have hikes, we have drops. We actually had 2 drops in this week. But we didn't put that in the news, did we?
Well, yeah, it's not scary enough.
Well, they say panic and sex sells.
Right.
So I would encourage you and our viewers out there to do a little research on your own, because they don't necessarily report the whole story.
That's very true, Anel. And I would also say this. At the end of the day, rates, whatever the rate is, you can't do anything about it. You can't change it yourself. They are what they are. So just get all of your questions answered. Find out what you individually qualify for, and then make your decision based on that information.
I would say that if you are not talking strictly to a mortgage professional, your standing is really not clear to you.
Right.
And contrary to what you just said, we can buy your rate down.
True.
So we have some control. We have some programs that are going to have adjustments to the current rates in the current markets. You just have to learn a little more about it.
I am actually in a transaction with a client right now, a buyer client who got $10,000 credit towards the buy down of their interest rate. So it is possible to, adjust those a little bit. You just got to find out where you stand, right?
So those programs would normally buy you 2 or 3 points down for the first 2 or 3 years, depending on what it is. It's a huge difference, and it basically puts you in the interest bracket that we have been in the last year and a half or 2.
Right.
So if you want to know more about the real rates out there, about the possibility of becoming a homeowner, contact me at 760-594-0608. We will help you get into these programs and find you a home.
And if you have any real estate related questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Toma Johnson. My number is 951-356-9586.